All right, today we're gonna bring some new tires for my chair, and I have it ready. We have carpet, but I'm taking it off here, and it's gonna be half and half. We're gonna put some different flooring, but I don't want to get rid of it, so I'm gonna replace the tires. And the tires are pretty good still, you know, they're not that bad. I'm still gonna use them for something else, you know, but I need to get smoother tires. My desk, it's a little high, it's a little messy too, if you guys see it. So I need to get higher tires too. So maybe single tires too, and take this off. So to remove it, I'm just gonna pull it out, but it's a little difficult. You might get a wrench and a hammer and pull them out. So that's probably the only way. And then we're gonna replace with these tires. Let's get one out to see how they look. Okay, we're gonna get one out, and they're a little higher. All right, just a little couple, maybe a couple inches, half an inch, I would say higher, but they're smoother for carpeting, for carpet area, or if you're gonna go from carpet to ground, they're actually pretty smooth, so it's not that bad. I'm actually testing it out here, but let's test it out, see how it works, because the transition from cement to carpet, I want to see how smooth it goes. All right, because these get stuck eventually, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove them and replace them. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, just replace them all. They're pretty quiet compared to the other ones. These are the old ones. Look up, they took a beating. So these are all plastic. They're nothing like the silicone or anything smooth as that. So, and then they got a lot of dog hair too, a lot of dust too. So let's go ahead and test it out, see how well it works. Let's come and see from cement. Look at it, from cement to carpet. It's not that bad. See that? Of course, I was trying it with my weight on too earlier, but I just want to show you how quiet it is. It's not that bad. There's the contact. So, and the cement's uneven, so we're gonna fix. That's why we're gonna remove all this stuff and get cement, better cement in here. So, not bad. Easy to set up too. Hope you guys enjoy the video.